Ever wondered what makes some classroom truly magical? It's not magic, it's DAP. I'm sure you'll be asking what DAP means. DAP. It simply means developmentally appropriate practices, which is a teaching approach that considers the age, the developmental stage, and individual needs of every child in order to create a supportive and engaging learning environment. Developmentally appropriate practices, that is DAP, focuses on knowing and understanding your learner's development, creating a nurturing environment that promotes learning, using teaching practices that support a learner's growth and development. Mentally appropriate practices aims to make learning fun, interactive, and meaningful for all learners, helping them to reach their full potential. Now, let's look at some of the strategies for incorporating DAP into our lesson planning and teaching practices. In lesson planning, we educators, we need to consider our learners' age, their interests, their developmental stage, and learning styles. Secondly, we should align our lessons with learning objectives and outcomes. The third one, try as much as possible to incorporate hands-on activities, interactive and meaningful experiences for these children, a lesson that they would never forget in a hurry, because these children like to touch, they like to explore. And finally, learn to be flexible. Let's be prepared to adjust our lesson plans based on our learners' needs and interests. Teaching and learning should not be rigid. There should be flexibility. We need to incorporate so many things to make sure that we'll carry all the diverse learners we have in our class. So let's talk about the in-teaching practices. We should create a supportive learning environment for these children. We should use play-based learning. The importance of play in teaching and learning can never be overemphasized. We should try to ask them open-ended questions. These children need to think critically in order to answer our questions. And we should not forget to tailor our teaching to meet the needs of the diverse learners we have in our classroom. The auditory learners, the audiovisual learners, the kinesthetic learner, the visual learners, every learner in the classroom, we should tailor our teaching to meet their individual needs. By incorporating these strategies, you can create a DAP-rich classroom environment that supports your learners' learning, their engagement, and their development. This video is dedicated to the memory of my beloved lecturer and supervisor, late Professor Christy Omotiole, of the Department of Early Childhood Education, University of Lagos.